Love Your Freckles Day, on November 22nd, is all about celebrating and flaunting freckles. Commonly found in redheads or those whose parents are respectively dark and fair, freckles are cute, sun-kissed spots that make most of those blessed with them look wonderfully unique and natural. Synonymous with youth, and sported by beauties including model Adwoa Aboah, Big Little Lies star Zoe Kravitz, and the actor Lily Newmark, the freckled face offers an idiosyncratic alternative to those flawless Instagram selfies where makeup is applied in thick, opaque layers. On this day, make sure to appreciate freckled faces all over the world. It's time to celebrate sun-kissed marks on Love Your Freckles Day. Even though freckles are considered to be trend recently, it wasn't always that way, even historically. Freckles, dermatologically called ephelides, are small, brownish, well-circumscribed spots on the skin occurring most frequently in red or sandy-haired individuals. The variants of the MC1R gene that are linked with freckles started to emerge in the human genotype when humans started to leave Africa. The variant Val92 Met arose somewhere between 250,000 and 100,000 years ago, long enough for this gene to be carried by humans into Central Asia. Freckles occur in people with heritage from around the world. While it's true that such a mutation in people of Celtic heritage causes the stereotypical dots in fair redheads, variations of the MC1R gene lead to freckles in Chinese, Japanese, French, Mediterranean, Israeli, and certain African ethnic groups as well. The word freckle, first used in the 14th century, arose out of the Middle English word freaken, which is probably of Scandinavian origin, according to Webster's dictionary. The layman's term freckle can stand for two distinct dermatologic entities and lentiginous. From the late 19th through the early 20th century, freckles were seen as unsightly blemishes that needed to be banished from the complexion, demonstrated by adverts such as a Pond's Vanishing Cream ad from 1910. From 1914 to 1928, some ads were downright harsh, calling freckles homely and shameful. A shift occurred in the perception of freckles when somewhere in the mid to late 20th century they became acceptable and even desirable. Perhaps the rise of the tan's popularity was a factor, as early as the 1950s, correlating to health and a life of leisure, and a byproduct of spending quality time in the sun is the production of freckles. By the 90s, freckles were also linked to a more youthful appearance, an association that continues over 20 years later. In fact, Chanel was the first company to market a product designed to create faux freckles in 1995. Now, freckles are widely seen as unique and beautiful, which is why they should be celebrated not just on Love Your Freckles Day, but every day. On This Day event is an educational project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our channel.